Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the show. In today's episode I'm going to be tinkering with this new electric skateboard I've just got. I took it for a test drive the other day, literally fell straight on my ass within 3 seconds of standing on it in front of about 300 people, which was a tad embarrassing and funny. I did lose my watch. As I fell back, my legs went up in the air about 6 foot, hand come down straight onto the floor, watch popped off, don't know where it went, but lucky enough I had a spare, so it's not the end of the world. The idea of this board, I bought it to do a bit of vlogging in the summer. This was £150 off of eBay. I'll put a link in the description if you like, because you might be impressed with it. I've personally been on this twice now. I'm impressed with it on a straight and downhill. It's got a 350 watt motor, a 22,000 milliamp battery, which is pretty cool, but I would say, I don't know whether it's my weight, I'm not particularly heavy, I'm just shy of 13 stone. This does struggle uphill to the point where it just won't go up, so you have to either get off and walk or push, but I'm too cool to be pushing, so but on a straight, absolutely fine. Going downhill, wicked. Use your braking system so you're not flying down at what, you know, God knows how many miles an hour. Even though I'm still a bit sort of cautious on it, I was getting up to speeds of 18 mile an hour, which is quite cool really. When you look back at it, it's quite scary as well. 18 mile an hour on one of these is a bit too fast really. Anyway, so the idea is this skateboard is very small. I find it quite hard to stand up on it because there's just not much room to stand on. As you've probably seen in the background for many of my videos, this deck here I bought a couple of years ago, and I've only ever really used it once because like I say, I'm too cool to push, and which is a shame because I really enjoy it, I really love it, I think it's wicked. This makes a cool ornament, but I want to make it a cool toy as well, so we're going to whip the trucks off of this and the battery pack, and we're going to stick them on that, which shouldn't be too difficult, he says. So the only issue I've got, I mean obviously I presume these trucks are just like for like, so they should go straight onto these ones, so we whip them off, put them on that. The only issue I've got is this battery pack. It doesn't seem to have any sort of screws this end, so it's either glued on or it's bolted on from this from the top down. The only way we can really find out is if we take this tape off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the tape off, and if it's not screwed on, then this little theory is probably going to go out the window because it won't work. But if it is screwed on, it's just a case of drilling a couple of holes in that and sticking it on that one. You know, everyone's a winner. Basically, I've just bought this and I'm taking it apart already. If my missus finds out, it's going to kill me because she thinks I'm an idiot and wasting money all the time, but it should be. I'll use it a hell of a lot more if it's on that than I will if it's on this. So let's get standing blade. Doing the splits at 4 years old. That's not cool. So what we're going to do, I'm going to cut the tape in the section where I think this battery pack is, which is there. But what I'll do is I cut this one first, peel it back and see what's underneath. So wish me luck. So here it goes. Nice straight line. And then it's just a case of peeling the tape up. Yes, so I am right. There is screw holes underneath, so this is all good. My theory will work. There goes my warranty. So there's 4 holes. It smells nice. Ooh, it smells really nice actually. Yeah, 6 bolts. Eco flying. I don't know if they're any good. So it is just a case of taking these 6 screws out. The battery pack should drop down. We'll whip the trucks off. So what should we take off first? The trucks. So we need a spanner and a small Allen key. You'll know how much I like Allen keys. Let's go old school adjustable. Right, that's one. Right, there's the deck. Alright, so the idea is to put that So that's the front trucks on, thank God. Actually fit that alright. The other ones are quite wide. Right, so what my plan is to use the original skateboard deck as a template for our holes. So what we're going to do is just going to stick the paper on there, pierce the holes, and then we're going to transfer that template onto here, drill them in, and it should work, he says. Right, so that's going there, and that's going there. Right, so that's going to be one hole, another one there, and the final two are somewhere around here. There we go. So that's our template. That's an exact replica. We want to make sure it's straight. Measure twice, cut once, that's what they say, isn't it? Oh, I love the smell of burning wood. Oh, that's nice. We should have done it the first time and the second time. So we need to, I think they call it bevel or something like that. So basically you're channeling out the bits for the screws to go in. They sit in like that, so it's nice and flush and hidden. But I don't seem to have a drill bit that big. But it's not far off, so it should be alright. so it's flush, which, yeah, it is. Just use these as guidance. Yeah, that's fine. Enough. Yeah, flush. Hopefully it don't just snap in half now when I stand on it. So. Done. And then should be a case of sticking those. Hopefully, this is the moment of truth. Hopefully, these line up well. Not going to go mega tight just yet. So, there we have it. It still works, just powered on when I move the wheel, which is cool. Everything is tight, nothing's going to fall off. Everything is in line. And there's my new skateboard. And as long as it doesn't snap when I stand on it, it's going to be fine. So, just something to tinker with. What was that? Oh, my watch is buzzing at me, so I need to get up and move. Been sat on my ass too long. So, just something to tinker with, a bit of fun. I'm sure I'm going to have lots of fun on this. Riding up and down the red ways of Milton Keynes, and hopefully not breaking my bloody neck in the meantime. As always guys, thank you for watching, give us a thumbs up, subscribe so much at the bottom, and I will catch you in the next one.